Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to increase Elementor website speed and performance using NitroPack plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Elementor plugin and we are going to optimize our website. Now we are in WordPress dashboard. Now go to plugins. So click on it. First, we are going to delete inactive plugin and update our plugin. Now you see inactive plugin, so delete it. Now delete all inactive plugins and we are updating plugin also. Now all inactive plugins are deleted and other plugins updated. Now go to themes, so click on it. Now we are going to delete inactive themes. Now you see we have a lot of themes, so we are going to delete it using hosting. Now we are in hosting and in media click folder. Now you see themes, so select and now delete and then click on confirm. Now you see extra theme deleted. Now back to WordPress dashboard and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see inactive theme deleted. Now on left side you see plugin, so click on add new. So we are going to install plugin. Now in search plugin write NitroPack. So this is plugin we will use, so click on install now. Then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated and go to PageSpeed inside. Now we are in PageSpeed inside and now you see mobile score 30 and desktop score 78. So we are going to increase it. Now you see. Now back to WordPress dashboard. Scroll down. On left side you see setting and then you see NitroPack. So click on it. Then you see message. Welcome to NitroPack for WordPress. So we are going to create account in NitroPack website. Now go to website. So we are in NitroPack pricing section. You see different packages, but we are going to create account with free plan. Now you see, or check us in action with free plan. So click on it. So you can create your account with Gmail. So click on it and then click on your account and then you can add your name and then you see what your organization size, just me, and then what's your background, drop down. So you can select according to your requirement, technical, and then click on continue. Now our account is created and then you see on right side plan summary, free plan subscription, no billing, and then on left side you can add your website name and then you see website URL, so you can add your website URL here. Now enter your website name, media click, and then enter URL and then click on add site and then click on place my order. Now you see checkout successful, so click on go to dashboard. Now we are in dashboard. Now scroll down, you see current plan free. Next we said June 21 and then you see page view, CDN bandwidth, number of website one by one. So this CDN and page view reset after 1 month. So this is 1 month limit, 500 page view and CDN bandwidth 1 GB. So after June 21, this will reset to 0. Now go to NitroPack option and then you see connect to NitroPack or connect manually. So you can select according to your requirement. Now I click on connect manually. So we are going to add site and site secret. Now go to NitroPack dashboard again and scroll up. You see connect your website. So click on it. Then you see your API details, site ID, copy and paste here. And now back to NitroPack dashboard. Now you see site secret, copy this and go to NitroPack option and paste here and then click on connect to NitroPack. Now connecting. Now our website connect to NitroPack successfully and then you see optimize pages, plan, and then you see optimization mode and setting. Now you see standard, medium, strong, ludicrous, manual option. So this is best possible option for optimization mode. So select this option and then on right side you see setting. So enable this option, cache warm-up, and then click on yes, and then you see HTML compression. So enable this option also. Now refresh the page. Now you see optimize pages processing. So click on push cache. Now you see processing one page in the background. So they are processing pages. Now you see processing one page in the background. So they process 6 pages. So we are waiting to complete this process. So I refresh the page and then you see 19 pages optimized done and still processing pages in the background. So now optimize page is done. You see 22 pages and then on right side you see plan. So plan reset on June 21. Now you see page view, CD and bandwidth. So this is for 1 month and after 1 month these value will be reset to 0. Now go to page speed inside and now you see mobile score 30 and desktop score 78. Now again click on analyze. Now you see running analysis. Now analysis done and then you see mobile score 74. So mobile performance is increased by using NitroPack plugin, and then go to desktop. You see desktop performance score 98. So just add NitroPack plugin and connect your website and your mobile and desktop performance will be increased. Now here you see 74 and desktop 98. Now scroll down. You see some issue. Reduce unused CSS or properly size images. So you can fix this. So you can fix reduce unused CSS issue with any plugin. Now scroll up. Now go to NitroPack dashboard and scroll down. You see different detail here, cache size, last page 5 minutes ago, optimized URL 22, not optimized URL 12. Now you see different details here. And also you see active feature. Now scroll up, you see cache status, so click on it. Now you see total cache status and total size. Scroll down, you see URL optimize. You see status, this URL optimize. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Now go to WordPress dashboard and here you see different settings. So select this plan for your optimization mode. So this is best plan. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.